there were several reasons. The first one is that it is a 𝗖𝗂𝘀 certified kit that in Italy is very important. The second one is it was because it could answer at the same time two different questions. Of course, the predictive ones, so let's start with the HRD. Then there is also in Udine, in our university hospital, a molecular tumor board. And for this reason, they were selecting patients that need maybe, that they could take advantage of the CGP panel because of the choice of a specific drug or to be enrolled in clinical trial. So this was the predictive part, but it was also important in our case also for the diagnostic part, because our hospital is a general hospital. You can get samples of each kind of disease, and for some of these disease, the diagnosis requires the evaluation of specific genes. You cannot have in the lab all the kit for each single gene, so it was much better to have a CGP panel that could include at least 50-60% of the genes that usually can be useful for a differential diagnosis. And then it was really important for us also for the definition of the possible origin of this cancer of a non-primitive. We had some good experience also for this kind of tumor. So I think that prediction is the main thing, but also the diagnostic part was important. We know that in a pathology department there is a problem of optimizing resourcing and giving the results in a reasonable time. Okay, so the fact that we could use the panel for different regions, diagnostic, predictive, could help us to optimize the run. It means for a 𝗖𝗂𝘀 558 sample in a reasonable time, because we can run more frequently. And this was for sure the main reason that pushed us to choose your kit. Regarding the implementation, it was not a matter of technical problem because we have already the expertise in-house. We were doing exome sequencing, so it was from the organizational part, because we have to change completely the organization in your lab, and also it requires 2 people for 3 days, but in a pathology department we have other things that you have to do. It's not only CGP panel, so we think that automation can help in this for this specific problem.